Hi, I am Dr. Shankumar B. Patil, Professor, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I welcome all of you for the video lecture on pumping lemma. Before going to solve some problems on the pumping lemma, we will see what is the pumping lemma. Pumping lemma is used to prove language as a non-regular. For example, you can take language L is equal to set up the string 0, 0, triple 0, 40, 50 like that finite zeros. The finite automata for this 0, 0 is, so this is the finite automata for the string 0, 0. So if the 30 comes without altering, without adding any states, so I am making so the finite automata to accept three zeros. How do I make? So at the center of the finite automata, I am going to pump the 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So four zeros comes at the middle of the finite automata. I am going to pump two times. Okay. If 50 comes, I am going to pump three times like this. So I am going to pump so three times. Okay, 60 comes four times. I'm going to pump. I'm going to pump the four times like this. So 70, 80. I can pump more number of times. So if I pump for the different zeros, it is very difficult to count. That's what. So I am making the circle so that I can easily count how many times I pumped. Hence, I can write the this part of the machine as a U. So this part of the machine as a V. This part of the machine as a W. So finally, according to pumping lemma, I can write the language L is equal to, so language L is equal to U V power I W. So it is all belongs to the language. It is a belongs to the language. So whatever the strings we are generating, it is all belongs to the language for different values of the I. So I is equal to, if I substitute it as a 1, so whatever the string generate, it is belongs to the language. It is belongs to the language. Maybe 1, 2, 3, I as a 3, like that, I as a n, whatever value for the I. So now it is a belongs to the language. Okay. To prove the language as a non-regular, we need to split the string into UVW. So the string into the UVW. So by keeping the two conditions in mind, the one condition is, so the first condition is V never be belongs to epsilon. V never be belongs to the epsilon, never b belongs to epsilon. And the second condition is, so the magnitude of u and v, so the magnitude of the u and v always less than or equal to n, where n is the smallest string in the language. For example, you can take this as a n, this as a n. Okay. So in order to split the string into the vw, you need to keep the two conditions in the mind. One is a I. First one is V never belongs to epsilon, and the second condition is the magnitude of the UV is always less than or equal to m. Okay, we'll solve some problems on the pumping lemma, keeping this as a base. So according to pumping lemma, uh, UV power I W, it is a belongs to language for any values of the I. So this as a base, will solve some of the problem. Prove that language L is equal to 0 I square, where I is greater than or equal to 1 is not a regular. So 0 I square, I as a 1, it is a 1 square. So 0 or 1 square is a 1. This is a number. I is equal to 1 is a number, and this is a symbol. I is 1, it is a 0, single 0. I is 2, 2 square 4, so 0 power 4, 4 zeros. Okay. So I as a 3, 3 square 9, so 0 power 9 is 9 zeros. Okay. So you can take this as a n. So split the string into UVW, keeping the two conditions in the mind. V never be belongs to epsilon, and UV, the magnitude of the UV is less than or equal to n. Now UV is equal to 3, so the magnitude of the UV is, it is a 3, U and V, so it is equal to 3. Hence, the second condition is also fulfilled. Substitute the values of the U, V, and W in the equation, pumping lemma equation. 0, double 0 power I, V has a double 0 power I, and remaining symbols, W. Remaining symbols are in the W. Substitute I is equal to 1, whatever the string generated, obtained, is now belongs to the language. I is equal to 2, the string generated is now, it is a 13 zeros. So 13 zeros are not there in the defined language. Hence we called it is a non-regular. Pumping lemma says, for any values of the I, whatever the string we obtain, it is a belongs to the language. When as a user I experimented same in the this same concept for the example. So I am getting the different string. There is a contradictory between the pumping lemma and the experimented result. So hence we proved the language as a non-regular. Whenever there is a contradictory is there, so we proved language as a non-regular. Thank you.